Our next type of graph is a dot plot. So these are models that have a number line and then dots above them. Okay, these are also going to give you a key. So down here it says each dot represents one customer. Okay, so if we come in here and count the dots, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people selling 0 packages. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 people selling 1 package. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more people selling 2. 1 person selling 5. 1 person selling 8. And 2 people selling 10. So if we added them up, that would tell us that a total number of 10, 16, 17, 18, 20 customers came in with packages. That being said, each of these dots represents one customer, but where they're at in the number line tells you how many packages. So right here, the number of packages that customer decided to put into the mail. So if we were to make ourselves a very long list to match this set of data, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people with 0 packages. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 twos. 1, 5. 1, 8, and 2 10s. Okay, so each dot has the value of where it is on the number line. It just represents one customer with that many packages. So question number 1 over here is asking about symmetry. Okay, if something is symmetrical, that means we can cut it down the middle and the 2 sides equal the same. So if we look at our number line here, the halfway point is 5. So if we cut this data down to 5, do the 2 sides look the same? Not at all. Okay, 0, 1, and 2 have a bunch of points, and 8, 9, and 10 have very few. So then this data is what we call asymmetrical. Okay, most of the data is on one side and not the other. Number 2 asks, how many customers mailed packages today? So each dot represents one customer. So 20 customers went in to mail a package, but the first 6 over here had 0 packages. So that means none of their packages made it into the mail. So if I have the 20 customers that went in minus the 6 that had 0, that means we have 14 total customers selling packages today. And number 3 is asking for the median. Okay, so again, with the median, you're going to want to make sure you have that long list of numbers. And we're just going to find the median, which is that middle number. Okay, so we're looking for the value in the middle. To find the value in the middle, a reminder, your numbers have to be in order first. So take out a big and a small, big, 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 small. Okay, because we have an even number of customers, that means there's 2 numbers in the middle. When there's 2 numbers in the middle, we're going to add them up and divide by 2. So 3 divided by 2 is the average number of packages. Nope, not the average. The middle value of packages is 1.5. Same thing with this data. You could also find the range and the mode and the median. Okay, if we were talking about the range, the most number of packages mailed was 10. The smallest number was 0. So the range is 10. We're talking about the mode. There were 6 people with 0 and 6 with 2. So the modes, there are actually 2, is 0 packages and 2 packages. And again, I do not feel like adding all those up to find the mean. But you could do it. So dot plot, each dot represents something, and your job is to figure out how many of each value there should be in the